Hey guys, this is Jasmine Narona here. As we are locked down and you have to keep your life interesting so that we don't get carried away with all the news that we are hearing and get depressed. So I have seen myself trying to look up for new recipes and trying to convert them into a healthier way. So as I'm going through this journey, I thought let me record and share it with you guys so that maybe some of you will find it helpful. So today I came across a recipe for rice crispy vada, and it is a deep fried, of course. All our South Indian delicacies are always deep fried, but here I'm going to try option in my air fryer, and let's see how it turns out, and I will share it with you. So it is rice crispy vadas. Keep watching. So to make the crispy rice vada, we will require a cup of rice flour and a cup of yogurt. Yes, I make my yogurt at home. Then a teaspoon of cumin seed or jeera, and then a teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 to 3 green chilies, or use it as per your taste, and a little bit of chopped coriander. And we will use 1 cup of water to mix it. I will be adding a little bit of hing, asafoetida, and salt to the mixture. So I've added all the ingredients to the mixing bowl except for the chopped coriander. Okay, and that I will be adding later on. So mix it nicely. I know it will be watery. It needs to be like this watery consistency. Okay, now heat a pan on medium flame, and we will pour this into the pan. Keep continuously stirring till it becomes like a nice dough. So now after about 5 to 7 minutes of stirring this, it's become a nice dough. See, it's leaving the pan. So now I'll let it cool for a little bit, not too much, just as much as we can handle. In the meantime, let me tell you about my air fryer. This is the air fryer that we have, Instapot Vortex, and we had the earlier one, which is like a basket, but we invested into this because this comes into nice layers where there are 2 trays, and it's easier for cleaning as well. So this is the tray where it has a dripping. So this is the 10 quart that we have, and I will be trying to do it in this. Now I added the coriander chopped, and then I'll mix it, and I'll take it in a plate, and I'll continue with the process. I added a tablespoon of oil to the mixture because we'll not be deep frying it, and I will form in shapes, and like you can make it as round balls, or like vadas what we try. So I'm going to try and make that, and I will show you before I put it in the air fryer. So this is how I have made it, and it was difficult for me to get these very nice holes like a donut. So I got this spatula with the round end to it. I dipped it a little bit in the oil, and that's we go. There you go, a clean nice clean hole. So now I've placed them in the oven. I'm in the air fryer, and around 380 Fahrenheit. I'm doing it for around 16 minutes. So halfway through it will tell me to turn the food, and I will show you the end result soon. This is how it looks when it comes out of the oven. It's nice. So it's crispy.